How to click selfie on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your iPhone. By default, the rear camera will be activated on your phone. Make sure you are in the photo mode and tap on the flip icon to switch to the front camera. This action will now allow you to take a selfie. Hold your phone steady and tap on the shutter button at the bottom to click the photo. To view it, tap on the photo preview at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open the photo in your gallery. From here, you can edit, share, or delete the image. Now you can start taking as many selfies as you want and share them wherever you want. Following these steps, you can easily take a selfie on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.